Shipyard welding is a specialized and critical process within the shipbuilding and ship repair industry, involving the joining of metal components to form the structural framework and essential systems of ships. This type of welding requires not only technical proficiency but also an understanding of the unique demands posed by maritime environments, where durability, strength, and resistance to corrosion are paramount. The welding performed in shipyards often involves large-scale structures composed primarily of steel or aluminum, materials chosen for their strength-to-weight ratio and ability to withstand harsh sea conditions. In the shipyard setting, welding is central to fabricating hulls, decks, bulkheads, and other structural parts that must adhere to strict engineering standards. The structural integrity of these welds directly influences the vessel's safety, seaworthiness, and longevity. Shipyard welders must be skilled in various welding techniques such as shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, gas metal arc welding, GMAW or MIG, flux cord arc welding, FCAW, and submerged arc welding, SAW, with the selection depending on factors like material type, thickness, and joint configuration. The working environment in a shipyard is often challenging due to the size and complexity of the structures being welded. Welders may work in confined spaces, at heights, or in varying weather conditions, including outdoor docks exposed to wind, rain, or extreme temperatures. This necessitates strict adherence to safety protocols, including protective gear like welding helmets with appropriate shading, gloves, flame-resistant clothing, and respiratory protection to safeguard against fumes and ultraviolet radiation. Shipyard welding begins with thorough preparation of the metal surfaces to be joined. Cleaning is essential to remove rust, scale, oil, and other contaminants that could compromise weld quality. Proper fit-up of the parts ensures the joint aligns correctly, which is crucial for achieving strong, defect-free welds. Welders often use clamps, fixtures, and tack welds to hold components in place during the welding process.